There is a lot of controversy about the necessity or potential harm of animal protein. Let's discuss the subject. You will be surprised to know that we do not need protein molecule as whole, but its primary compounds called amino acids. These amino acids are attached to each other in 4 different structural levels, forming a molecule of very complicated composition, protein molecule. Well, the composition of the protein molecule is our main problem because it is difficult to break down. To break down the complex molecule of protein, we need strong stomach acid, like carnivores. The truth is that we share more genome similarities with chimpanzees rather than with lion or pumas. The fact that chimpanzees occasionally eat protein in the form of insects and eggs makes us believe that we could tolerate small amounts of protein too. However, our meat-eating habits are way different and even dangerous for following reasons. We eat protein in large quantities, sometimes up to 400 grams per each serving, which exceeds our body's capacity for protein digestion, that is 10 grams per hour. Can you imagine only 10 grams per hour? This means that we can only digest an egg per hour. According to the book The China Study, the author Colin Campbell, human body needs only 60 grams, 2 ounces of protein per day. The rest travels through our system undigested, contributing to chronic inflammation and disease formation. We cook meat, thus destroy all the enzymes in it. As a result, our body is forced to use its own enzymes for digestion. For example, it would take only 45 minutes to digest raw egg. In 45 minutes, it would leave your stomach. But the hard-boiled egg takes 2 hours to be digested and to leave your stomach. Of course, cooking slows down the digestion process several times. The third biggest mistake is that we combine meat with complex carbohydrates like bread, pasta, or potatoes. Protein and complex carbohydrates require completely different intestinal environment, different pH for their digestion. The enzymes that are necessary for digestion of starches, amylase, require digestive acids of pH of 7, whereas digestive enzymes of protein, pepsin, requires pH of 1.6. When we mix protein with complex carbohydrates in one meal, the pH of digestive juices also get mixed. Subsequently, none of the ingredients get digested completely. When you combine meat with complex carbohydrates, you are literally throwing your money away because none of the ingredients get digested properly. Plus, you are contributing to chronic inflammation in the body. How undigested protein ruins our bodies? After each protein meal, part of the unbroken protein molecules get absorbed in blood. Because they have different genomes from ours, the immune system identifies them as threat and attempts to fight by sending immune cells from all over the body to the area around the gut. The battle, so-called battle, takes place in the form of inflammation. So think about it. If you are eating protein at least 2 times per day, you are provoking your immune system and contributing to chronic inflammation. So whenever there is battle, there are some ruins and dead. These dead cells are toxic for our bodies and have to be removed by liver and kidneys. When the amount of toxins is too large, the body eliminates them through skin in the form of acne. So if you are struggling with acne, the first thing you need to do is to remove all types of protein and dairy products from your food ratio, and you will see your skin is going to improve right away. Can plant-based protein cause inflammation in the body? All types of undigested food, whether it comes from the animal or plant-based world, causes inflammation. However, plant-based protein has the advantage of being high in essential nutrients and fiber that makes it easily digestible. The exception could be gluten, which has a molecule of very complicated structure and very difficult to digest, and also protein shakes. You don't need them. So the next thing you need to do if you are struggling with acne or any form of chronic inflammation, whether it is asthma or chronic nephritis or arthritis, you need to remove all types of animal protein and gluten and do not consume protein shake. What you should be consuming instead in order not to get protein deficient, I will discuss in my next video, and I will leave the link in the description box below. Rigorous cooking like frying in oil or combining incompatible ingredients like protein and complex carbohydrates can also disrupt the digestion process of plant-based food and make them pro-inflammatory. The question is, are we able to get all the necessary amino acids from plants? Well, there are 2 types of amino acids. Non-essential amino acids. These types of amino acids human body is able to produce. and essential amino acids. These types of amino acids human body is not able to produce and has to be taken exclusively with food. You might be surprised to hear that essential amino acids that human body cannot produce can be made by plants only. Their production requires certain genes that humans and animals lost during their evolution process. Consequently, plants are amino acids producers and animals and humans, we are amino acid consumers. Thus, we are able to get all the necessary amino acids from plants. And in which form? About this, please check the link in the description box for the next video. Thank you very much for your attention and have a nice day. I hope this information was helpful. If you want to lose weight and detoxify your body without counting calories and by eating delicious food prepared under 30 minutes, you should go to my website and do 1 week weight loss and detox diet plan, which is absolutely free of charge. Hurry up, it won't be free forever. The link to the website will appear on the screen now and in the description box below. Thank you and bye-bye.